Hello, in this video I want to show you how to log out Instagram ID from other devices. First you need find and open the Instagram on your home screen and then go to the profile page and here find the three lines on the top right corner. Just click on it. Here find the setting and privacy, select it. Then go to the account center. Here scroll down and find the password and security button. Just click on it and here find the where you are logged in. Select. And here we can see our accounts. Just go to our account and here find some device you want log out from Instagram ID. For example, click on the select device to log out, red button. And here you can select all, or you can select some specific device you want to log out. For example, this or this, and then click on the blue button logout. And that's all for this function and this app, Instagram app. This all for today. Goodbye.